The Allen Bradley Panelview 2711p-t15c4d1 is an operator interface terminal we receive for repair from a municipal water facility. This terminal came in with a dark screen, which is fairly common fault for these terminals. We rebuilt the power supplies and repaired the video section. We backed up the program in the display, but we did leave it intact instead of resetting the memory to default, so this unit was ready for immediate use in their customized control system. For the extra observant out there, you can see our now retired Bill in the reflection of the screen of the monitor. So, this video can also be seen as a homage to his 2 decades of service at ERD. Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.